Okay, now we're recording. Okay, here we go. Now, ready? Now we just got a package, right? Right? We got a package from your fan Lynn, and we're you want to see it? Here, Cody. Well, let me sit you down. Okay, we'll sit you down there. Right. Up. There we go. Whee! All right, Cody. So, what do we get here? There's something in the box. Let's see what we got. Here we go. What's this? This looks good. Look, Cody. Look, Cody. Look. Business cards! Woohoo! Look at those. Aren't they pretty? Very nice, very nice. Okay, now, let's see what else we got here. Let's open it up. Ready? Let's get it open. Here we go. Oh, peanut! Yeah, let's get it this way. Woo! There we go. All right. Peanut! Yay! Okay. Let's not get too messy. Yeah, well, what else is in there? Wait, you want to, let's open up the rest. Ready? Okay. What's this, Cody? Look. What? Come here. Come here. Here you go. So, we got, what? Fruit trees. What else? What else, Cody? Huh? But, pretty fun, huh? And look at that. Wow, look at that. Are you excited? Huh? You excited? What else we got? Oh my goodness. Oh my, oh. Look at that. Wow. Wow, look at that. It's like bird bait. There you Okay. Okay, now, wait. There's more. We got this, too. Look at that, power treats. Power treats. Yeah, wait, there's more. Look, there's little letters. And, up. 80 surgeries. Well, no, I know, just bite that. Wait, well, what else is here? Is there more? Isn't there more? Look. Look at that. Look at that, Cody. What do you think? Huh? Pretty good. What? Let's see if there's more. Is there more? I think. Let's see if there's any more. You got it? Okay. There's one more thing in here. I know I saw it earlier. Oh, well, I guess I got it. Oh! Yay! Say thank you! Say thank you, Cody! Say thank you! Yay! Happy bird! Happy bird!